Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create your first email campaign in ActiveCampaign on your PC so you can start reaching your audience and growing your business. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account on your computer and go to the campaigns section. This is where all your email campaigns are managed. Now, click on create a campaign and choose the type of campaign you want. Usually you can start with a standard email campaign for beginners. Next, give your campaign a name and select the contact list you want to send your email to. This could be your subscribers or customers. After that, you will design your email. You can choose a ready-made template or start from scratch. Then add your text, images, and subject line to make your email engaging. Make sure to preview your email and send a test email to yourself so you can check how it looks before sending it to others. Since everything looks good, click on next and then send now. Or schedule your email for a specific time. Creating your first email campaign helps you connect with your audience, promote your content, and build strong relationships over time. And that is it. Now you know how to create your first email campaign in ActiveCampaign on PC. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.